Flourish has released something very, very cool in the new update. Take a look at this map. I've got county level poverty rates in the United States. Check out the buttons over here. We've got sort of a new look. We go to export and publish. Now, in the past, when you would publish like this, you'd get this same window, and then you could publish, and then you would get a link that would allow you to just copy. And you can't do that anymore, so I don't love this part. So you have to click the view to see the full website and then copy from there. However, that's not what's really cool. What's really cool is this new button, Export to PowerPoint. So I'm going to click this button, and I already have this in a PowerPoint deck. So it's going to say, do you want to pull that access away, or do you want to add it to another PowerPoint? So here I'm going to say add it to another one, and it's going to bring me to the Microsoft store where I can add in the Flourish Studio PowerPoint add-in. Now I already have that set up. So let me show you over here. I've got a blank slide over in PowerPoint. I'm going to go over to my Home tab and click the add-ins button on the right. And I have a few already installed, and you can see there's a lot of stuff in here that you can play around with. Flourish Studio. So I'm going to click Flourish Studio. It's going to bring up a little Flourish window. Insert Flourish project. I'm going to go find that map. There it is, poverty rates. Insert. And now I've got my map interactive in PowerPoint. I can interact with it, and I can rescale this if I want to make it full screen. I can do that. It might take a second to sort of do it, but there it goes. I can move this around. And yes, I've tested this. If I email this to an entirely different computer where I'm not logged in to Flourish on either PowerPoint or a browser, it does work. I don't want to call this a game changer, but this is really exciting. I no longer have to rely on Canva to have interactive Flourish visualizations. I can drop it in directly into PowerPoint. Very cool new update from Flourish. I encourage you to check it out.